Hello and welcome to the Renbei Porsche Power Steering Pump Installation Tutorial. Today we'll be installing a seal kit on a Porsche 944 power steering pump. Start by placing the pump on a clean working area and take a black marker and mark the orientation of the pump halves and also the mounting bracket as shown. Next, using a 10mm wrench, take the 4 bolts that secure the pump halves together loose. Remove these bolts and set them off to the side. With the bolts removed, separate the pump halves. This is the half of the pump that we'll be working with and installing the seal kit on. Using a small flat screwdriver, gently pry away the inner pump seal. Remove the seal kit from its packing and take out the 2 inner pump seal pieces. A hard plastic piece and a soft rubber lining comprise the pump seal. Place these together. The plastic piece will fit inside of the soft rubber outer piece. Once these are together, place them in the recess in the inner pump plate. Next, using the same small screwdriver, remove the outer pump half seal. It's a large O-ring. Match this O-ring with one of the large O-rings found in your kit. Install the new O-ring. Use the flat screwdriver again to gently pry up on the inner pump plate and remove it. Remove the snap ring, which holds the spindle and pulley in place. With the snap ring removed, the pulley and spindle should come free of the pump. Be careful not to turn the pump over at this point, as the loose vanes in the center have a tendency to fall out. Place your hand over the inside of the pump and turn it over. This will secure the vanes and keep them from falling out. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the outer wiper seal. Note the orientation of the wiper seal. The lip side of the wiper seal goes inwards towards the pressure. The flat side of the wiper seal goes out towards the pulley. Install the new wiper seal. To seat the new wiper seal, use a plastic mallet or the end of a plastic screwdriver. Make sure it's seated completely and it's even. Reinstall the pump spindle and pulley. Check to make sure none of the pump vanes have been misplaced or have fallen out. Reinstall the snap ring, which holds the pump spindle and pulley in place. Reinstall the pump plate. Now place the pump halves back together in the same orientation that they came apart. Use the marks that you made with your black marker to ensure that this is correct. Reinstall the 4 bolts that hold the pump halves together. Make sure the pump spins freely with little resistance. Remove the banjo bolt. This is an optional step to replace the copper washers with new upgraded seal washers. Seal washers are extra and do not come in the pump seal kit. They can be found on renbei.com next to the pump seal kits. Take the extra seals that were found in your kit, along with the old seals, place them back in the bag, and dispose of them properly. Your pump is now resealed and ready for reinstallation in the car. Tools needed are a 10mm end wrench, black marker, and 2 sizes of flat screwdrivers. The Renbei Power Steering Pump Seal Kit fits the Porsche 928, 944, and 993. You can order your pump seal kit on the web at www.renbei.com or by calling 954-445-6437.